Let's make a traditional Czech dish of duck and dumplings. Start by coating your duck with some caraway seeds and salt. Thinly slice a clove of garlic and add that to your duck. Pour some heated lard over so that it is completely submerged. Now we bake the duck at 70 to 75 degrees for 11 hours, ideally overnight. After the 11 hours, turn your heat up to 220 and bake it till golden brown. Now let's prepare the Carlsbad dumplings. Finely chop your parsley and add it to your slightly stale bread. Now it's time to add the flour, salt, and pepper. Our next step is going to be adding 1 egg yolk, make sure you save the whites for later, and our milk. Whip your egg whites on high speed and add them to the mixture. Time to shape our dumplings. Start by greasing your cling film and then add your mix to the center. Using our cling film, shape your mixture into a large cone. All that's left to do is wrap it up and tie both ends with a string. Now make sure you leave some space so that the dumpling can expand. Now bake this in your oven at 100 degrees for 25 minutes. Now for our potato dumplings, we boil the potatoes until almost soft. Let your potatoes cool, peel them, and grate them. Now add your egg, flour, semolina, and salt. Mix it all together. Transfer your dough onto a floured surface and start forming a cone shape. Then add that to boiling water and let it cook for 20 minutes. Shred your red cabbage, add some caraway seeds and salt. Saute your cabbage with some onions for 10 to 15 minutes. Time to serve! We hope you enjoyed our video on this traditional Czech dish. Thank you for watching!